my dear students. I hope you all are fit and fine. I am Miss Pinky. Welcome you all to the RKP online classes. Students, today we are going to start one new topic of chapter 2. And today we will discuss that how can we divide the fractions. Now let us start, beta. First of all, let us take one example. Okay. Here we have to divide 12 by 7 with 4 by 5. So here we have to write, first we have to write 12 by 7 as it is. Now after that we have to replace this symbol, this division symbol, with the symbol of multiplication. So here we have to put the symbol of multiplication, but after that what we will do, beta? After that we have to write the reciprocal of this fraction. And what is the meaning of reciprocal? Here we can see what is the meaning of reciprocal. When numerator and denominator are interchanged in a fraction, then the result is called multiplicative inverse or reciprocal. Okay, means when we interchange the numerator and denominator in a fraction, then the result is called multiplicative inverse or reciprocal. We can say reciprocal or multiplicative inverse. Here if we find the reciprocal of 9, then it will be 1 by 9. Why? Because 9 is a whole number. Okay, so how can we convert it into fraction like this? If we convert this 9 into fraction, then we will write 9 by 1. Okay, because 9 by 1 or 9 both are same. 9 by 1 means we are dividing 9 with 1, and when we divide 9 with 1, then we get 9. So 9 by 1 and 9 both are same. So here how can we find the reciprocal? We have to interchange the numerator and the denominator. So here 1 is as denominator, so here we have to write 1 as numerator, and here 9 is our numerator. So in the reciprocal we have to write 9 as denominator. So reciprocal of 9 will be 1 by 9. And what is the reciprocal of 2 by 3? 3 by 2. Okay, here 3 as denominator, so here in the reciprocal we have to write 3 as numerator, and this 2 is our numerator, so in the reciprocal it will be our denominator. So we have to interchange the numerator and denominator to find the reciprocal. So like this, here also, beta, we have to find out the reciprocal of 4 by 5. So how can we write? Here we have to write 5 as numerator and 4 as denominator. Now here we have to multiply, and we have already discussed about the multiplication of fractions. So here we are having 12 and 5 as numerator, 7 and 4 as denominator. So beta, before multiplying we have to check that numerator and denominator both are having any common factor. So here we can see that this 12 and 4 both are having a common factor, and that is 4. So 4 1s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. Okay, so now here 3, here 5, here 7, here 1. So numerator and denominator don't have any common factor. Now we have to multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So 3 5s are 15 and 7 1s are 7. But here 15 by 7 is an improper fraction, and we know when we get improper fraction as our answer, then we need to convert it into mixed fraction. So here we need to convert it into mixed fraction. Okay, so here we need to divide this 15 with 7. 7 2s are 14. Here 15 minus 14 will give us 1. So now we have to keep in our mind QRB, this rule. Okay, so what is the Q, beta? Here what is Q? Q means quotient, and quotient is 2. And what is remainder? 1 is remainder. And what is our divisor? What is our denominator? 7. So 2 and 1 by 7 is our answer. Okay, so like this we have to do this also. Here we are having 4 by 9 divided by 5. So here first we have to write 4 by 9 as it is. First fraction we have to write as it is. Then we have to convert this sign of division. We have to replace this sign of division with the sign of multiplication. So here we have to put the sign of multiplication, but after that we have to write the reciprocal of the second fraction, not of first fraction. Okay, first fraction we have to write as it is, then we have to replace this symbol with the symbol of with the sign of multiplication, and then after that we have to write the reciprocal of the second fraction. And here we are having only 5, and 5 is a whole number, so first we will write it as a fraction, and we can write it 5 by 1, because we when we divide 5 with 1, then we get 5 again. So here we can write 5 by 1, and now what is the reciprocal of this 5 by 1 beta? Yes, 1 by 5, because we have to interchange the numerator and denominator. So here we will write 1 by 5. Now let us multiply. Okay, 4 1 jar 4 and 9 5 jar 45. So 4 by 45 is our answer. Now beta, let us take some more examples. Here we have to divide 2 by 5 with 1 and 1 by 2. Okay, so here this is proper fraction, but this is a mixed fraction. So first of all we need to convert it into improper fraction. So first we will write 2 by 5 as it is, then symbol of division as it is. Now first we will convert it into improper fraction, and you know very well that how can we convert it into improper fraction. Yes beta, here 1 2 jar 2, and then we add this 1, this numerator. So 1 2 jar 2, 2 and 1 3. So we will write 3 by 2. Now we have to write this first fraction as it is. Now replace this symbol with the symbol of multiplication, and then we have to write the reciprocal of 3 by 2. And what is the reciprocal of 3 by 2? Yes, 2 by 3, because we have to interchange numerator and denominator. So here beta we get 2 by 5 multiply with 2 by 3, and here no and there is no common factor of numerator and denominator, so we have to multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So 2 2 jar 4 and 5 3 jar 15. So 4 by 15 is our answer. Okay, now let us see this question. Here we are having 2 and 1 by 5 and 1 and 1 by 5. Here both are mixed fraction. So first of all we need to convert these into into improper fraction. So beta, here 2 and 1 by 5. So we have to multiply this whole number part with the denominator. So 2 5 jar 10, then add the numerator. So 10 and 1 11. So we get 11 by 5. We have to write here denominator as it is. Now this symbol as it is. Now we have to convert this into improper fraction. So 1 5 jar 5, 5 and 1 6. So 6 by 5. Now first fraction as it is. Now replace this symbol with the symbol of multiplication and write the reciprocal of this second fraction. And what is the reciprocal of this? 6 by 5. Reciprocal of it will be 5 by 6, because we have to interchange numerator and denominator. So we will write 5 by 6. Now beta, here you can see here 11, here 5. Here as a denominator we are having 5 and here 6. So we can cancel this 5 with this 5. Okay. So both are having 5 as common factor. 5 1 jar 5 and 5 1 jar 5. Now we are having 11 and 1 as numerator, and here 1 and 6 as denominator. So now let us multiply 11 with 1. We get 11 and 6 1 jar 6. So 11 by 6 is our answer, but 11 by 6 is an improper fraction. So if our answer is in improper fraction, then we need to convert it into mixed fraction. So let us convert it into mixed fraction. So here we need to divide beta. Okay. So 6 1 jar 6. So we get 1 as quotient, and remainder will be 5, and 6 is our divisor. So according to QRD, what is our answer? 1 and 5 by 6. Okay. So 1 and 5 by 6 is our answer. So like this we have to divide the fractions. Now students, let us take one more example. Here Shilpa has bought 6 kilogram of dry fruits. She wants to pack them in gift packs of 1/4 kg each. How many gift packs will she be able to make? So here beta, what is given? क्या given है? 6 किलोग्राम जो है टोटल ड्राई फ्रूट्स, इस क्वांटिटी ऑफ ड्राई फ्रूट्स इज गिवन एंड दैट इज 6 किलोग्राम. ओके. एंड शिल्पा क्या चाहती है? अब जो शिल्पा है वो 6 किलोग्राम जो ड्राई फ्रूट्स हैं उनको क्या करना चाहती है? गिफ्ट में पैक करना चाहती है. ठीक है. और जितने भी वो गिफ्ट हैं वो सभी में कितना कितना जो ड्राई फ्रूट्स है वो डालना चाहती है? 1/4 kg, 1/4 kg like this, सभी में all. Okay. So here we have to find the number of gift packs. We have to find the number of these gifts. कि जो 6 किलोग्राम जो टोटल क्वांटिटी है ड्राई फ्रूट्स की उसमें से 1/4 kg के 1/4 किलोग्राम के कितने गिफ्ट पैक कर सकती है वो. ओके. दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड. So to find out the number of gifts, we need to divide this 6 kilograms with 1/4. Okay. Now let us see the solution. First of all, we have to write the quantity of dry fruits bought by Shilpa. शिल्पा ने जो ड्राई फ्रूट्स बोट किए बेटा, परचेज किए हैं वो कितने हैं? सो दैट इज 6 किलोग्राम. ओके. नाउ क्वांटिटी शी वांट्स टू पैक इन ईच गिफ्ट पैक. तो कितना पैक करना चाहती है वो इस गिफ्ट में, एवरी गिफ्ट में? सो 1/4 किलोग्राम. ओके. नंबर ऑफ गिफ्ट पैक्स. तो 6 किलोग्राम जो ड्राई फ्रूट्स हैं उसमें से वो कितने गिफ्ट पैक कर सकती है? दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड. ओके. सो फॉर दिस, टू फाइंड दिस, वी हैव टू डिवाइड दिस 6 विद 1/4 because total quantity is given 6 kilograms and जो each gift है बेटा जो पैक करना चाहती है उसमें वो डालना चाहती है 1/4 किलोग्राम. ओके. सो वी हैव टू डिवाइड दिस 6 with 1/4 to find the number of gifts. So here we have to write this 6 as it is, or you can write 6/1. Okay. Now here we are having the sign of division. So here we have to replace this symbol with the symbol of multiplication. Now we have to write the reciprocal of this 1/4. So what is the reciprocal of 1/4? Yes beta, 4/1, because to find the reciprocal we have to interchange the numerator and denominator. Okay. So here 1 as numerator, so here 1 will be as denominator, and here 4 is our denominator, so here in the reciprocal 4 will be our numerator. Now we have to multiply. Okay. So 6 with 4, 6 4s are 24, and 1 with 1, 1 1s are 1, and here 24/1 will give us 24, because when we divide any number with 1 we get the same number. Okay. So here 24 is the answer. कितने गिफ्ट पैक कर सकती है वो? 24 गिफ्ट पैक कर सकती है. ठीक है. आई होप यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टूड दैट हाउ कैन वी डिवाइड द फ्रैक्शंस. ओके. नाउ you have to do these both questions yourself. Okay. You have to divide 2 and 1/5 with 5/6 and 5/7 with 8.